हाय, गुड इवनिंग। मैं थोड़ा लेट हूँ। 5 बजे बोला था लाइव आऊँगा मैं। सबको बहुत थैंक यू बोलता हूँ। जो फीड फूड फॉर एसएसआर था वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा। मैंने देखा है, मुझे थोड़ा समय नहीं मिल पाया, आज थोड़ा बिजी था। बट मुझे लगता है कि करीब 1.25 लाख लोगों ने, 1.3 लाख लोगों ने ट्वीट किया है और द पोस्ट आर इन थाउजेंड्स. So it's a very, very good work which we have done. And trust me, it will. Why I opted for this, because in Hindu culture there is something called Pitri Paksh. Since सुशांत भाई जो हैं अभी उनका 1 साल हुआ नहीं है, तो पितृ पक्ष में खाना खिलाना, अन्न दान जो होता है सबसे महादान बोलते हैं। इस कारण से ये इसको सेलेक्ट किया गया था। पता नहीं लोग उसको समझ पाए नहीं समझ पाए, इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। तो थैंक यू सबको बोलता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा आपने किया है। कल प्लांट्स फॉर एसएसआर भी प्लान्ड है और परसों फ्लैग्स फॉर एसएसआर है। सो टुमारो इज प्लांट्स फॉर एसएसआर एंड मेक दैट ऑल्सो सक्सेस। जो कहीं ना कहीं कल उनका एक वन ऑफ द 50th विश, आउट ऑफ 50th वन ऑफ द विश फुलफिल। एंड उनका एक और विश था जिसमें ही वांटेड टू रिप्लाई टू 500 fans. So I think more than that, I replied everyone on his. Thing very important now, which is hashtag. I think many of the group, Shweta Didi is already joined in Telegram, and she is getting more than 1,000 messages from everyone. Everyone has become social media expert now. They are sending her social media strategy and digital strategy they are offering. I want to ask those people, where were they when everyone was targeting Sushant Bhai's sisters and family? Were they doing any trend for the family? Huh? Everyone is asking to resign Uddhav Thackeray. So Uddhav Thackeray will resign due to Twitter? आपकी मांग है कि उनको रिजाइन कर दो, आपकी मांग है कि ये कर दो, उससे रिजाइन कर देंगे क्या? वो कर देंगे तो बताइए, मैं आज से ही 5-10 लाख लोगों को लगा देता हूँ ट्वीट करने के लिए। वो ट्वीट करेंगे उद्धव ठाकरे रिजाइन कर दो। नीट एग्जाम के लिए लोग लिखते हैं, करवा पाए क्या बैन नीट एग्जाम को? और एसएसआर से कैसे कनेक्टेड है नीट एग्जाम? एवरीवन इज हैविंग फ्रीडम कि कहीं भी किसी को सपोर्ट कर सकता है, ट्वीट कर सकता है। जरूरी नहीं है कि एसएसआर में ही। तो फिर एसएसआर के लिए आप लीड करने के लिए आपको इच्छा नहीं दिखानी चाहिए। यू शुड हैव नॉट द डिजायर टू लीड एसएसआर कैंपेन, because you already doing many campaigns, and SSR campaign needs a lot of dedication and time. You don't qualify for it. And qualification means you should understand what is the qualification for that. If you are doing multiple hashtag, that means you are not dedicated for SSR. Try to understand. And SSR needs a lot of dedication. His name is there. You cannot write, we don't believe CBI do 302. So if as a family will never tweet that kind of hashtag, try to understand. If media will cover that, what will happen? It will be in news that, family doesn't, believe in CBI or something like that. So many hashtags coming, put pressure on CBI, put pressure on this. So on Twitter, you will get justice or what? In Twitter, you will get justice? Tell me why we trend on Twitter. Do you all know why we trend? Because it will come in news, it will create buzz that someone called Sushant Singh Rajput is there, about whom everyone is talking. You will not get it. People will not get the bail or arrest due to the hashtag trends. Try to understand it. So we don't need enemies. We don't need PR of other people or our opponent. We already have so many that the trends not happening. And for SSR, we need dedicated people to handle the things. Try to understand. We cannot afford to divert anyone I also want everything should be clear. But my only priority is SSR, nothing else. Try to understand it. And no ST is trending due to that confusion. So you are open to trend whatever you want to do. There is no harm in that. But don't tell that you are doing for SSR. You are not doing for SSR. Try to understand it. Everyone is having freedom to do whatever they want to do. No one will stop. No one can stop them. But for SSR, it should be exclusive dedication to SSR. Nothing else. Nothing else is important. So family cannot validate any hashtag which will say oppose CBI or CBI is not working or something like that. With Tute you will do it or what? Tell me. Who will confirm me tweets? They will get the justice. You tell me. I will use your hashtag and give me in writing that you will get the justice. We will get the justice, but not with the hashtags. Try to understand. Apply some mind. If you don't have, ask for the mind from me or anyone else. But approaching family directly with the social media and digital planning doesn't sound good. That someone is already in grief and we are sending thousands of, in Telegram messages and everything. Where were you people when the family were getting targeted? How many hashtags you ran? How many hashtags you all posted that time for in favor of family? So tell me, show me how many hashtags you all sent. And when nothing was happening, you all approached me, and when family or Shweta Didi or I am giving a hashtag, then you all have problem with the hashtag. Why? Are we giving hashtag for Donald Trump or what? Or is it related to other our enemy or other person? Is it not containing SSR name or what? So for SSR, the person who is doing it should be exclusive doing SSR, nothing else. So if I support everyone, I cannot tweet in favor of anyone else. That's it. Whether you tell me that I am against this, against that, try to understand it. We don't say we are not in favor of them. But Uddhav Thackeray resign करो, हो जाएगा क्या resign? लिख के दे दो, 5 दिन करो, trend करवा दो resign. You all do 5 days, no SSR tweet, hashtag you write Uddhav Thackeray resign करो, कर देगा ना वो resign. I will leave Bombay, trust me. But please don't try to fool real SSRians. Don't play with their emotions. Every time I want to quit, I get 1,000 messages. Every time I don't want to handle it, but I think if I will go, politics will take over all entire campaign. Everyone is innocent. See the response. Feed food for SSR. If you all have self-respect, who are becoming leader of social media now. If you have ethics, stand with the family. उद्धव ठाकरे की मांग है, गिरा दोगे सरकार? कौन लिखता है? 5 दिन में 5 दिन का एसटी देता हूँ, चलो लिख दो उद्धव ठाकरे के नाम पे, कल लिख दो नेट के नाम पे, एग्जाम के नाम पे, जो भी लीडर बने हैं, ठेकेदार बने हुए हैं एसएसआर के, चलो सबको दे देता हूँ, 5 दिन एसटी दिया, चलो गिरा दो उद्धव ठाकरे को, और 5 दिन दिया, नेट एग्जाम कैंसिल करा दो. अब बकवास मत करो एसएसआर के साथ. एसएसआर के डिजिटल सोशल तुम लोग हमको कैंपेन सिखाएगा, और तुम लोग हमको ट्विटर सिखाएगा और सोशल मीडिया सिखाएगा. तुम्हारे जैसे 50 लोग हमको सिखाने के लिए और कंसल्ट करने के लिए रेडी हैं. सो डोंट ट्राई टू बी टीचर ऑफ हैशटैग्स. ओके, कितना कैंपेन तुम लोग किए 2 महीने में, और कितना यूनिटी है सबको मालूम है. पोलाइट होके बात करता हूँ तो तुम लोग सोचते हो कि बच्चे से बात कर रहे हो. तो सबसे पहले तो सब अपने लिमिट में आ जाओ. लिमिट क्रॉस मत करो तुम लोग, समझे. फैमिली को डायरेक्ट अप्रोच कर दो हैशटैग्स के लिए और इस चीज के लिए. फैमिली तुमसे ज्यादा समझदार है, तभी जहां पे है वहां पे है, समझे. तुम्हारे हैशटैग से सीबीआई नहीं पहुंची है. फैंस का प्यार है, भगवान का आशीर्वाद है, उससे फैमिली का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, तब सीबीआई मिला है. तुम्हारे हैशटैग से सीबीआई अरेस्ट नहीं करता है. तो जितना हैशटैग पे ज्ञान सब दिए जा रहे हो और अपना पॉपुलैरिटी और नेतागिरी किए जा रहे हो सब, तो शांत कर लो इसको. तो अपने लिमिट में आ गए तो फिर तुम सबके लिए परेशानी हो जाएगी. तुम लोगों को चाहिए हैशटैग, इफ यू ऑल वांट हैशटैग, टेक फॉर 5 days, आई गिव यू. गिरा दोगे सरकार उद्धव ठाकरे का? है हिम्मत किसी में? 5 दिन में गिरा दोगे? बोलो. आई विल गिव यू फॉर 5 days हैशटैग. करवा पाओगे कुछ कैंसिल? सो फॉर एसएसआर वी नीड एक्सक्लूसिव थिंग. Everyone is having freedom to use any hashtag. But for SSR, who will lead the campaign, should have nothing in mind beside SSR. That's it. Try to understand. If you all have mind, if you don't have, don't put your leg and hand in everything. You want to use, you use. You don't want to use, don't use. Because due to your hashtag, CBI is not working. Try to understand. If you are not understanding, then again I'm telling you, common sense is very uncommon. So I cannot help in that. SSR is not an opportunity to become famous. Don't worry, try search my name. Before SSR also, my name you will find many places. Just write my name and write my thing and you will find it. You don't need to teach me, okay? Everyone is becoming consultant of social media. I have people whom I can hire it for social media consultancy. And a lot of fan is there who is giving me free consultancy. So I can take their help also. And people are approaching family for a hashtag and this thing. Apply some mind. Families in grief. Your Twitter hashtag, if solve the case, I think we should have not have CBI or Supreme Court in India. We should have 5, 6, 10 people daily doing ST and every case will be solved. You don't have mind. Do CBI against hashtag. What will happen? Do you think family will do that hashtag? Family will do that hashtag. And then media will cover it. What media will say? Family is against CBI. Huh? Do 302. Focus on 302. Come on, have some common sense. We don't need to focus on that. CBI or agency will focus on that. We and I and you don't need to do it. So every time, every day, every hour, you all have work or not? Or you all are working only for Twitter? I don't know what you all are doing. You have some work or not? At least I'm very blunt, but I should ask. So please grow up from Twitter also. Every day I'm replying politely, I'm talking politely. That doesn't mean कि हमारे सर पे आ जाओगे तुम. ये सब लोग आ जाओगे ऊपर. ऐसे स्नैपशॉट डाल के सबको. Will keep applying it. It will be bad for everyone. Please don't do that. I'm extremely sorry if I've tried SSR. That's it. Full and final. You love me, you hate me, you ignore me. I don't care. You do whatever you want to do. If you want, I give ST for 5 days. You trend Uddhav Thackeray. You trend anyone else. You trend anyone else. And if you will, make him resign, everything will happen. Your ST is yours. I give you all the ST. But if it is related to SSR, I appreciate that you all had done hard work. Everything has happened, but now family is involved. Family cannot tweet anything which will be problematic for them in terms of media. Please try to understand. I don't know why you are not understanding it. What language you want? Hindi, English, Marathi, Bhojpuri, Kannada, Telugu. What language you want? Tell me. So if you when family was not there, you all were tweeting, hashtagging. We all supported. We appreciate that. We love you all, but that doesn't mean that you will do whatever you want to do. Since morning till evening, 2,000 messages, 1,000 messages. For what? When you all stood for SSR family, show me 5 hashtags. Since last 90 days, show me 5 hashtag or 10 hashtag where you all stood up for the family. Tell me. Show me the hashtag. So you all are applying mind. Are we not educated? Are we cutting grass in Bombay? Why don't you all understand? Why everything hashtag? What benefit you will get? Tell me. Don't you think that CBI doesn't work with the hashtag or Twitter? Don't you all think? Huh? If you have some question, ask. Go to CBI. If you have all the proof, why you all don't go? So many days I'm asking, so many 2 bodies, 5 bodies, 10 bodies, 7 people were in the party, everything was there. If you have proof, go. Which state you want, I give you address. Tell me. But hashtag, when I'm doing something, people are doing something positive for SSR, feeding food and everything, everyone is applying their leg. Why? Did I ask you to, feed someone? Did I ask you to pay me? Did I ask you? So if not, do your work now. If you don't have work, that's not my problem. If you all are unemployed, that's not my problem. Go to Modi ji. He will give you all job who are not having any job. But for SSR, for the sake of that real SSRian, don't divide them. I was not this much blunt, but don't understand me a kid. बाल ऐसे नहीं पके हैं हमारे, सर के भी और दाढ़ी के भी. बहुत तुम लोग से ज्यादा दुनिया देखा हूँ. तुम लोग सब जो हमको राजनीति और नेता और पॉलिटिशियन समझाता है, प्रोफाइल देख लेना हमारा, क्या नेता होता है, क्या राजनेता होता है. वो सब हमको सिखाओ मत तुम लोग. और अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी पोलाइटली, if I have hurted you, if I was harsh, I'm very sorry, but I will not allow anyone to use anything which will go against SSR. Please try to understand. If you think we don't know, we cannot do, I will tell you what I am, what we do, what we can do. So don't try to come in between. You don't want to support, don't support. You have supported since day one. I appreciate it. I welcome it. I welcome you. I support you. Okay? I'm driving. I cannot reply to you this, but what I'm talking, let me talk. I will reply you back afterwards. Okay? So don't do any politics. You have other hashtag agenda. You do. For SSR, we need exclusive. For SSR, there will be only one hashtag. अरे किसने गलत किया है सबको मालूम है. Don't ask me all these questions. सबने गलत किया है. For the SSRian who are dedicated SSRian, there will be only SSR hashtag. Who wants to follow anyone else, who wants to do other ST, they can do. We cannot stop them. We should not stop them. But for SSR, we need only one hashtag which will be decided. Everyone is telling that there should be one hashtag. Okay, from Monday, Tuesday, we will try to have one hashtag for 3 days. If it will work, I'm okay. I'm just like this. I talk like this. So from Tuesday to Wednesday, we will have common ST. We will see whether it trends or not. If it trends, we will have common ST. There is no issue. If it doesn't trend, then we will keep changing it. So already plans for SSR and flag for SSR is dedicated for tomorrow and day after. So what we will do that on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will have same hashtag, and if that hashtag will trend, we will keep the hashtag common. I don't have, I have a lot of work to do in life. I have a lot of things to do in life. I don't have only time to change the hashtag. Okay, try to understand it. If you don't understand this basic common sense, I don't have time to tell my designer to design it. The designer is IITian guy who's designing the hashtag daily. Try to understand. See the amount of dedication we are putting. We are not making a poster and sending it. See the quality of everything what we are doing for SSR. Why don't you all understand? We are not coming with handwritten something and posting it. See since last 5 days or 6 days. See the quality of posters we are making. IITian people are making that only for SSR. But you don't understand. You want to go with mass. It's okay. I don't have any issue. But if something is happening for SSR, it is not happening for Nilotpal. Try to understand. I'm not stressing. I'm like this. Don't worry. When I'm in work, I'm like this, aggressive like this. I'm okay. Don't worry. So please don't put your head and leg and all the hand, all the body. If you don't have work, please go to Prime Minister. They will give you work. बहुत सारी योजनाएं चला रहे हैं, मिल जाएंगे आपको. Okay, try to meet Prime Minister for yourself. For SSR, we are capable, we are enough. If you want to suggest, please keep suggesting. There is no harm in suggesting. Don't become a digital trainer or teacher. Okay, don't try to become a digital teacher or Twitter expert. You can give your expertise in Facebook and Insta also. There, no one is leading. Go there, give there. There are a lot of people you can do. Go. I'm not doing that. I'm telling you, go to handle Facebook and Insta and other platform also. But when something is happening since 6 days, something is organizing, please don't apply mind. You all have freedom to do whatever you want to do, whatever ST you want to do. No one will stop you. We all have respect for everyone, but don't teach me what I have to do in life, please. Don't teach me, or don't teach the family. We respect all, each and every one. You see the love what fan has given, what the extended family has given on the today campaign. Please try to understand. No one is there on Insta. Go become leader on Insta. Go become leader on Facebook. Why no one is going there? Go become leader on YouTube. Please try to do. But every day 2000 messages for what? अरे पढ़ा लिखा हूँ यार, अपना डिग्री भेज दूं. कितना नंबर आया इंजीनियरिंग में, एमबीए में? भेज दूं क्या डिग्री? तब समझ में आएगा कि ये नेता वो है, वो नेता ये है, वो वहां से मिला है. भेजू क्या मेरा क्या नेता है नहीं नेता है? So don't do politics with me. Let me keep my cool. Don't make me harsh. Okay? I don't like it. I don't like the way I'm talking. But everyone has made me so frustrated that I don't know what is happening. Okay? So please don't make me stressed. Try to understand. If you have any suggestion, please give me. There is no problem. I appreciate it. If anyone is calling me, if I'm not replying, tell me. If someone I'm ignoring, tell me clearly that I'm ignoring. No one can tell that, but there is self-respect of everyone. If we cannot validate or any ST which is against agency, or doing something, if someone will write which will go against family and everyone. So if I tweet something, everyone you see news, they come up with the news. So what do you think if something negative we will read with the CBI and 302, what impact will come? And why we are becoming so eager to suggest on the trend and everything else? Don't we have other work also? We have, of course. Everyone is behind family to, I will become this, digital ka design kar denge, plan kar denge. Please do some work for you and your family. First see your family, then stand with our family, then stand with SSR, or stand with SSR and someone is standing. So many people see the feed food for SSR campaign. So many people. My fingers are paining for replying, but I'm replying each and every one. Till night I will reply. For about case I will update. This is for something else. For case I will update, because since day I was not there. So I will check with the guys and I will update on that. And try to understand. If you want to suggest some HT, you suggest. There's no harm in it. There's no harm in it. I will appreciate. We will do that also. But don't try to put on something, agency pressure, Supreme Court pressure, President pressure. You write 5 days, you write. If you think कि President rule लग जाता है, so ठीक है ना, President rule लगा दीजिए. If you want कि President rule लग जाएगा आपके ST से, I give you 5 days ST. Okay, entire. I give you some agency also who will do on behalf of you. Few people who are having many followers, I mean to say. लगवा सकते हो यहाँ पे. जब नहीं लगवा सकते तो यार प्लीज हेल्प अस. आई रिक्वेस्ट, आई कैन ओनली रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल रियल SSRians, whose purpose is only to stand with SSRians, nothing else. I'm not taking anyone's name. I will not pass comment on anyone else. I don't validate anyone except me. Whatever I'm saying, please don't try to fool me. Don't try to play with me. Don't try to play double game with me. Double cross me. बॉम्बे में एक बहुत कहावत है, काम 25 है तो काम 25 हो जाएगा सबका. So don't try to mess. Let me keep my cool. Okay? Unnecessary. There is no one that whom I don't reply. Anyone coming to me, I reply to them. That doesn't mean ki I don't understand anything. Okay? So now I'm seeing you off. Be united. Tomorrow is Flag for SSR campaign. Sorry, my mind is not on. Tomorrow is Plants for SSR campaign. Okay? It's very simple. Plant some thing in your garden, in flower pot, wherever you want to do. I need 1 lakh plus plants tomorrow worldwide. Please try to understand. It is for SSR, his 11th out of 58th dream. Let us make it so huge that, well, once we are fulfilling the dream, once we will complete it, it will go to Guinness Book of World Record. So tomorrow is plans for SSR. Let us make it very big. And after that is flag for SSR. Related to ST, if you have some suggestion, as someone sent me, we will keep one common ST for 2 or 3 days. If it will trend, then we will keep the same ST for every day. We don't need to change every day. We will keep it common. If it will not do, then we will change it. And please try to understand, everyone can go on Insta, become a leader. Everyone can go on Facebook and become leader. Everyone can go on YouTube, become leader. Why everyone is interested in Twitter and showing their talent, I don't understand. So please, there are many things to do. Whom I have not replied? Okay, email me, I will reply. I don't know where you have sent. I will reply you. If I have missed, I'm sorry. I generally try to reply each and everyone. I respect each and every SSRian. I try to reply to everyone. That's why I'm here. If I have not, then I'm sorry for that. And I'm extremely sorry for the language I used. I generally don't use these kind of language, but it was very frustrative. You send me the message again or email again, I will reply you immediately. Okay? But due to the act, I was really pissed off. So I told, so extremely sorry for my language. If I have used something wrong. And please try to understand, be united. ST से कुछ नहीं होता है. ST से आप ट्रेंड करते हैं और न्यूज आता है. There is someone called सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिसके लिए सारे लोग खड़े हैं, भूखे ऐसे खड़े हैं. पर अगर आप ST से राष्ट्रपति शासन लगवा दो, अगर आप ST हैशटैग से सरकार गिरा दो, तो यार 10 दिन के लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कर दो. चलो, किस पे प्रेशर बनाओगे आप? कौन प्रेशर? राष्ट्रपति भवन आपका ST देखता है क्या? Yes, you can plant flowers. Anything you can plant. See, again I'm telling you, it's a wish list. As per your capacity, you can do it. You can do it. Okay? And whatever I'm telling you, if you think I'm wrong, please write it to me. I will tell you where I'm not wrong. But please try to understand, for SSR, there should be no defocus. Everyone needs to be focused who is a real SSRian. I am also a politician, but I don't write everything to Modi ji or support Modi ji or anyone else. So please try to understand. If I am rude, I am extremely sorry. And please be united for SSR. I don't have any grudges with anyone. I'm not taking anyone's name. But what I'm feeling in since last so many days, I'm telling you all, please don't distract with anything. It's our duty to stand with family forever, not till the justice. And I'm with the family till my last breath. So please try to understand. It's my other connection with SSR. I never met him. Again, I'm telling you, I've never met him. But when I met him, he was on my shoulders. वो मेरे कंधे पे थे. So I cannot tell you what connection I have. I don't know what connection God has made. So please try. That I know how to handle those people. I know how to handle those people.